Hi, my name is Gudrun from GE Designs, and I'm here at Fat Quarter Shop, and I wanted to show you these awesome new cutting mats that I helped design for Creative Grids. They are available in 4 different sizes, so let me show you. We have the largest size, which is a 24 by 36. The next size down is 18 by 24. The next to the smallest is 12 by 18, and then we have a small little trimmer mat that is 6 by 8 inches. Now, why these color cutting mats? So the main reason behind designing these was that all of our Creative Grids rulers have black and white markings. So sometimes they were really hard to see on mats. The lines on the ruler were hard to see on mats that had black and white markings. So we chose a really nice gray color and turquoise line so that even when you're using all of your Creative Grids rulers, you can see all the markings really easily with all these mats. These mats are double-sided. So this side that I'm showing here is what we call the Creative Grids side. It has the traditional 1/8 inch grid that you will see in all of the Creative Grids rulers. And then it will have white numbers only around the edge. We did this on purpose so that when you are cutting on it, no numbers will interfere with the numbers on your ruler, so you can have a clear space. A couple of other things that we added to this ruler. We have little white squares on the bottom here, and then little white stars. These are the same markings that are on the Stripology rulers. The squares are every 2.5 inches, and the stars are every 1.5 inches. We have a 60-degree and a 45-degree line on all of them. And one of my favorite parts is a markings for 1/8 of a yard, quarter, third, 3/8 of a yard. So if you're cutting kits or figuring out how much fabric you have, no need to do the math. You can just lay it up against the mat and you can figure that out. But let me show you the other side. So only the 3 larger sizes are double-sided. So on the other side is what I call the Stripology side. This side is specifically designed to work well with my Stripology rulers. The Stripology rulers have a lot of markings on them, and so I wanted to be able to easily see all the markings, both the black and white on top, without any kind of troubling lines or numbers. So all of the numbers are on the outside edge of the mat, no numbers in the middle, and all I wanted was a lot of horizontal lines and just a few vertical lines. The horizontal lines are great for when I am subcutting my strips. I can lay my strips down, use the lines to arrange them, and then bring the ruler on top and cut all my strips. I also have some 60-degree lines which work really well when I'm cutting 60-degree triangles or diamonds, because I can just lay my strip right along those lines and it's perfectly positioned to place my ruler on top and cut out those units. Along with the mats being really nice and sturdy and thick and self-healing, the surface has a matte texture to it so that your fabric will not slide around on it when you're cutting. You can find the Creative Grids cutting mats at your local quilt shop and of course on fatquartershop.com. Thanks for watching.